Hello little learners. Let's count with me. How many suns do you see? One sun. How many flowers do you see? Two flowers. How many birds do you see? Four birds. How many nuts do you see? Two nuts. How many honeybee do you see? Three honeybees. How many flowers do you see? Five flowers. How many leaves do you see? Four leaves. How many leaves do you see? Six leaves. How many beetles do you see? Three beetles. How many caterpillars do you see? Five caterpillars. How many birdhouses do you see? Seven birdhouses. How many nests do you see? Nine nests. How many ladybugs do you see? Six ladybugs. How many butterflies do you see? Eight butterflies. How many rabbits do you see? 10 rabbits. How many grasshopper do you see? 7 grasshopper. How many flowers do you see? 9 flowers. How many plants do you see? 8 plants. How many snails do you see? 10 snails. Thank you for watching.